Welcome to HQLO Product Customizer. I will explain the functions after you choose an element from the Choose from Design button. Let me add 2 elements here for tutorial. Click on the element that you want to edit. First, this is the duplicate function. Use this to make copy of the element. Second is the delete function. You can use keyboard shift key and right mouse button to click multiple elements to move. You can also scale by dragging the edges or corners. Third to show you is the rotate function. Click and drag left or right to rotate. Fourth is the scaling. You can click and drag on the 4 corners of the element to scale uniformly. Or you can drag the 4 edges of the element to scale non-uniformly. Next, I show you how to change the color. When you click here, you see the element original colors here. I want to change the red part to green color. So I click here and then choose the green color. In HQLO Product Customizer, our elements are designed to be simple with minimal colors to edit. You can also adjust the transparency by dragging the slide here. This is the transform function that is similar to what I explained earlier. In order to scale uniformly, click on the lock button so the width and height will scale accordingly. These are the align buttons. You use this to align your element with respect to the canvas. Try it. Next one is flip horizontal and vertical. In HQLO elements, most elements are facing one direction only. So, you can use this flip button to change the orientation. Next, I will show you the layers buttons. You use this to change the level hierarchy so you can control which elements are on top or below. If you want to redo the element again, you can click on this reset button. In our HQLO Product Customizer, you can mix and match various elements together to create a new design. For examples, an happy apple, a crying hot dog, a mouth biting a bullet, Dave love Maggie, and many more. Give it a try. This concludes the tutorial. Are you ready to start designing?